Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today for our Flash webinar. The aim of our Flash webinar is to give you a quick but in-depth presentation of one of our key features. Today we're going to talk about Instagram publishing and all the amazing features that Loomly supports now for Instagram. My name is Louise. I am with the customer success team. I will be your host today. My colleague Pete is here to answer any question you have, but just make sure to use the Q&A section of this webinar if you need anything. I'm just going to remove my video so we can focus on the presentation. Okay, let's dive right in. With Loomly, you can automatically post single images, reels, carousel, and all those stories to your Instagram feed. So you can create posts from any views in Loomly by clicking on the green New Post button at the top right of your screen. In the first panel, you can define your base content. Base content allows you to add the generic details of your post that will be applied to all the selected social media channels. You can always fine-tune your content for specific channel in the next step. So it's pretty simple. First, we're going to choose a generic date and time. That looks good. A subject, webinar, and you can add post labels to help you easily identify which campaign or categories a post belongs to. I'm picking a webinar. So now you can select your social media channel. And this example, specifically, I'm only going to pick Instagram, but you can always choose other social media channels too. Okay, now let's add a base copy. This is a webinar on Instagram. We can add a little emoji. Okay, that looks good. So now we could use maybe our hashtag manager to discover and add trending and suggested hashtag to boost post reach. That's right there. So we have suggestion, we have what's trending at the moment, but you can also create your own hashtag collection for your brand, or if you tend to reuse the same hashtag, for example, I have a collection for webinar. Okay, my hashtags are here. So now that we have our base content ready, you can attach media files. Attaching media files in Loomly can be done in multiple ways. You can add visual asset from your Loomly library, that's just here, directly from your device, via a specific URL or from your Google Drive. If you don't have an image, you can always access millions of royalty-free images and GIF from Unsplash and Giphy right within Loomly. Additionally, in case you didn't know, we have a recent integration with Canva. So now you can export your Canva designs directly to your Loomly library. As an example for this webinar, I'm going to be uploading my visual asset from my Loomly library. Let's do that, a video, and on purpose, an image that is not the right size. You will see why soon. Okay, let's take a closer look at some additional features available for Instagram. Here we are. So for Instagram, you can decide if you want to create a story or a post for your feed, like reels, images, or carousel. You can always make last-minute changes to your image or video, like resizing, cropping, or adding filters with Loomly Studio. And this is what I wanted to show you. For instance, here, we have an image that falls outside the recommended aspect ratio range, and we have an orange warning. When situations like this arise, you can easily edit your asset in Loomly Studio to fit the crop ratio supported for Instagram. So we just click here, Instagram. And please be aware that we have that for video as well. That's super handy. Okay, Loomly also offers a couple of customization options, such as mentioning users in the copy. So just be aware that you need to know the exact handle. So here we are, Loomly social, for example. We can add an Instagram first comment to keep our caption clean while increasing the reach with hashtags. And maybe I'm going to remove my hashtag and add them here instead. You can add a location to help drive traffic, and you can invite collaborators to create collab posts. So you can add up to 3. We don't need that. I'll press enter, and I have my collab right there. Additionally, you can access your media setting to tag. Let me go here. So you can tag either on the image, or if you have an Instagram shop, unlike me, you can tag product as well. And I'm going to remove that to show you here for, as you can see, it's a video. So you can select an image. So either cover an image from the video, or you can upload your own cover image if you prefer. Before you schedule your Instagram post, you can preview your Instagram grid. This way you can see how your updated grid will appear once the post has been published. So we have it for post, and we have it for Reels as well. That will help you to see how it will look like. Okay, next is post sponsoring. So you can now promote your Instagram post directly from Loomly to ensure your content gets the visibility it deserved and from the right audience. So to do so, we're going to simply click on Show Sponsoring option. Okay, so we're going to define campaign parameters like our budget, our end date, location. And once you're ready, you click on Done to make sure to confirm you want to promote the post. Yes, here we are. So now our post is ready. And let's move to Instagram analytics. Super important to measure your Instagram performance. So to do that, we're going to go to our analytics. This is available in your calendar in both view, just right here. And to show you a bit more data, I'm going to go to the Loomly calendars. Okay, that's better. Instagram up to yesterday to have more data. Here we are. Okay. Loomly offers account level statistics such as your total number of followers, account impression, reach, and more. We also have post metrics that include post likes, comments, reach, impression, engagement rate. Please note that you can filter your date and period comparison as well as post metric with label. For stories, just here, you can access metrics when the story has at least 5 unique viewers. Instagram story metrics include exit, impression, reach, replies, and taps forward and backward on the story. Please note that story analytics cannot be backfilled, and shared stories won't be displayed in your metrics. So for the most robust data and analytics, we recommend you to wait at least a day after your story has been published. Finally, very important to know that this is supported for business and creator Instagram accounts that are connected through a Facebook page. Another element that is crucial in social media management is engaging with followers. Loomly allows you to keep track of mentions and reply to comments for Instagram creator and business accounts using interaction. So interaction, let me go back to my test calendar and that little bubble just there. We want Instagram. So if you have a business or creator account connected through a Facebook page, you can view mention and reply to comment. Please know that if you have a business account, then you can view and reply to direct messages. Interaction is a quick and simple way to keep your followers engaged and keep your social media account active. So let me show you manual publishing. That's very important for Instagram. There might be some instances where you might prefer manual posting with reminders, or it can be required due to API limitation. In that case, Loomly will send you a push notification reminder to your chosen device, such as email, mobile push notification, it could be on Slack or Microsoft Teams, and that will help you to publish manually. So for example, if we need to add a sticker to a story, it's not supported by the API yet. So we can simply select the Publish Manually toggle in the fine-tuning panel for Instagram. So let me edit my post. I go to step 2, and I just need to select publish manually. This way, I will get a reminder. So how does it look like? So when it's time to publish to Instagram, Loomly sends you a push notification granting you instant access to your post in Loomly's mobile app. The copy of the post, along with the associated media files, will be saved to your clipboard. So all you need to do at this point is to paste your caption, add music, add your sticker, whatever you want, and publish your post. So now let's talk about how you can connect to an Instagram account. To connect your Instagram account, you need to navigate to the social account tab of your calendar setting. So calendar setting, social account. And here, depending on what you have 2 ways to do it. So either you have a professional Instagram account connected to a Facebook page. In that case, you connect the Facebook page and the Instagram account that will allow you to access interaction analytics or grid preview. Or maybe you have only a personal Instagram account, or you have a professional Instagram account that is not associated with a Facebook page. You can still connect it to Loomly. Let me show you how. So I have my test calendar. So here I have nothing connected. I click on my Instagram. I don't have a Facebook page, so I can click here instead. You simply enter your Instagram username, you click on connect account, and you're done. Please note that direct publishing is only offered for professional accounts that are connected through a Facebook page, and that's a restriction from the API. For personal account or professional account without a Facebook page, you can only publish your post manually with the help of Loomly Reminder, like we were just mentioning. Okay, well, that's already the end of our webinar. If you have any question, please let me know. Pete is going to stay online for a few minutes, or you can have a look on our FAQ. And of course, if you're not finding an answer or feel like you need more support, you can reach out to us on our chat or email us at contact@loomly.com.